Horatio and the Plasticines.
Today, strange sounds.
Ready for the big goodnight concert, Horatio?
Ready!
Okay, Lucas, just like we practiced. Ready? And 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a... La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la.
Yay!
That was great, Green!
Thank you very much.
What a nice bedtime song, Green Green!
Yes, we should get some rest so we can have energy for tomorrow.
You have a big day ahead of you at school.
Yes, I'm ready to go to sleep now. Good night, Plasticines.
Good night, Horatio.
Good night, Lucas. What was that, Plasticines?
Huh? I didn't hear anything, Horatio. Did you guys?
No.
Me neither.
I didn't. I was dreaming about cookies.
Oh, that's weird. Good night again, guys. Good night,
Horatio.
There it is again! Plasticines! 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 Help me, Plasticines! Phew.
Calm down, Horatio. Everything's fine.
What do you mean? Didn't you hear that sound? I know exactly what's going on here. There's a monster in my room that's waiting for it to be completely dark so it can scare me. And all those sounds are its monster friends. At nighttime, they come out of their hiding places to eat me while I sleep. Monsters! Monsters! Monsters!
Don't worry, Horatio. There are no monsters here.
But what about those sounds?
Sometimes things make sounds. That's normal.
Yeah, like our box.
So you're sure that it wasn't a monster?
Positive.
All right. I believe you. Ah! Help me! Help! We're being attacked by monsters or elves or something!
Don't be scared, Horatio. There's always an explanation for everything. You just have to find it.
I know what the explanation is. The dark attracts monsters who want to scare me. Ah!
Just because it's dark doesn't mean there are monsters.
Didn't you hear those sounds? I won't sleep ever again. That way they can't eat me. I won't sleep. I won't sleep ever.
I know. A song?
A song.
Did you say yawn? Yeah, that's what you do when we're sleepy.
No, Green, a song.
Oh, song! Yay!
Nighttime has come and it's time to wind down. Wash your teeth well and get ready for bed. One of the big fears that some of us feel is to be in the darkness, unable to see. I could just tell you one thing I know for sure. You know that in this land there was no boogeyman, and there are no monsters to scare you away. When you put the lights out, leave your fears behind. Look right outside your window, so many stars to see. With such an awesome magic glow on your little face they shine. In the nighttime we have a good time, even if it is really dark. Gotta let nature illuminate you, and nothing can scare you now. Meow meow. A party of cats heard a meow with a couple of mice, yeah, they were hanging out. Hundreds of moths, what a beautiful sight. Some things are fascinating in the day or the night. So many fireflies you'll see adorning a giant tree. A choir of crickets loudly sings, what a lovely thing to hear. In the nighttime we have a good time, even if it is really dark. Gotta let nature illuminate you, and nothing can scare you now. Oh, oh. Nothing can scare you now. Oh, yeah. Nothing can scare you now. Suddenly something scared for low, and in the darkness a pair of eyes she saw, but the light of the full moon had shone. And it all became so very clear, and suddenly she saw that it was a white bird, big as a flying machine. I am an owl, it's a pleasure to meet you. It's just that at nighttime I get so hungry. Snails and colors and frogs that sing for hours, and a million of stars in the sky that shine above. A lot of things for you to see, so hurry up, cause daylight is coming. In the nighttime we have a good time, even if it is really dark. Gotta let nature illuminate you, and nothing can scare you now. In the nighttime we have a good time, even if it is really dark. Gotta let nature illuminate you, and nothing can scare you now. Nothing can happen now. Just gotta look outside and see, and enjoy the nighttime too.
See? There's nothing to be scared of.
Yes, I guess I've never really seen a monster.
All right, so that settles that. Good night.
What? No, wait! I still don't get what made those sounds.
That's true, but there must be an explanation.
Did you hear that, Plasticines? Shh, guys! Oh, look!
Alpina!
Flo's cat came into my room again. She was the one making those strange sounds.
See, there's an explanation for everything.
And I thought you were a monster. You're just a playful kitty, aren't you? Plasticines, now I can sleep tight knowing there's nothing to be scared of in the dark. Good night, Lucas. Good night, Alpina. Good night, Plasticines.
Good night, Horatio.
Yeah,
for bed.
I'm sleepy.